And let's get you more on domestic developments and the presidential polls with Sunetra Chaudhary.
Well, the big story is who will blink first. Will it be the opposition that will reveal a name, or will the government finally say who they have in mind when they announce the next presidential candidate and who will succeed President Pranab Mukherjee, whether it will be a contest or not, or whether there will finally emerge a consensus candidate. The big story today is, of course, that the panel which was formed at the beginning of the week, comprising top ministers of the government, Venkaiah Naidu, Rajnath Singh, Arun Jaitley, they have reached out to the opposition today. First up, they contacted the relatively smaller parties. They contacted the NCP and the BSP. They, in fact, Venkaiah Naidu spoke with SC Mishra and also spoke to Praful Patel to find out their views on the presidential polls. Both leaders, we are told the government that they are yet to form a stance because they were waiting for the meetings of the opposition to get over. After that, of course, what we've learned is that the opposition at 11 a.m. this panel, while Arun Jaitley will not be in town, but the other two top ministers will be meeting Congress President Sonia Gandhi on Friday at 11 a.m. And after that high-profile meeting, they will also be meeting with Sitaram Yechuri of the CPM, the top leaders of the opposition. All those meetings actually lined up for Friday. But for the opposition, it's clear. They're going to speak to them and they're going to hear them out. But the opposition wants the government to give them a name first. We are probably not going to hear, while initially we heard of Gopal Gandhi and Meera Kumar as some people who could be favorites for the opposition. However, they're all now saying they want the government to name some names and then see. Nitish Kumar has said it. Also the NCP, Sharad Pawar has said it. They want to see who the government's candidate is before they decide. Today, of course, after the opposition subcommittee had a meeting which had the Trinamool Congress, the Congress, JDU, Sharad Yadav, among other leaders, they said that the opposition was united in this process.
सब कमेटी बनाई गई जिसमें सभी पार्टियों को रखा जाना संभव नहीं था, क्योंकि फिर ये बड़ी कमेटी हो जाती। इसमें 9 कमेटियों, 9 लीडरों, 9 पार्टीज के लीडरों की ये कमेटी बनी गई, क्योंकि बाकी 17 पार्टियों ने कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट को सभी ने बताया था कि एक आप छोटी कमेटी बनाइए, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि सभी पार्टियां उसमें सम्मिलित हों। तो आज ये पहली मीटिंग, प्रिलिमिनरी मीटिंग, अब अभी से कैसे कह सकते हैं? अभी तो उन्होंने चर्चा ही नहीं की, अभी तो खाली फोन पे बताया है, इच्छा प्रकट की है कि हम मिलना चाहेंगे। अब मिलने के बाद कौन सा कैंडिडेट देता है और किस पार्टी से क्या बात हो जाती है, वो अभी कहना हमारे लिए असंभव होगा। अभी हमने कोई शॉर्ट लिस्ट नाम नहीं किया। जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि जब हमने ये मीटिंग तय की थी, उस वक्त तक सरकार की तरफ से किसी ने अप्रोच नहीं किया था। इस बीच में ये डेवलपमेंट हुई, और जब चर्चा होगी तो फिर उसके बाद जब सरकार चर्चा करेगी अपोजिशन पार्टीज के नेताओं से, उसके बाद हमारे सब पार्टीज के लीडरों की दोबारा मीटिंग होगी और उसके बाद
राष्ट्रपति का नहीं, ये अगला सत्र का तैयारी है। भाजपा को हटाओ, भाजपा